Hey guys, and welcome back to another tutorial on my channel Learn Design. Today I will show you how I created these glowing elixir bottles. Please keep in mind that this does not mean they are looking good, or that this is the only way on how it works. I just want to show you the way I created them. Now let's get right into it. Create a new artboard. Dimensions don't matter. Press M and drag a box over the whole screen. I made it black for now. To make it easier to imagine, I took a reference photo. I must admit my way of using preference was not the best here. I decided to make a bottle like the one I marked. To start, I created a round shape with the rectangle tool. Press E to adjust it to the perspective you like. I was going for this perspective. Then I duplicated the circle and put it underneath. Keep your final perspective in mind here. Duplicate the circle again and make the bottom with it. Here I made a straight line to see if it fits with the proportions. Then I selected the first circle and pressed Ctrl+F to duplicate it, and make it a little bit bigger. After this I started making an outline of everything with the pen tool. Now I duplicated the outlines and made it fitting to the first circle, as you can see in the video. Then select all the strokes and press Shift+M to select the Shape Builder tool. And create a single shape that will be used as the outline for the glass. On the right I got myself a color palette from Adobe's own website, which is linked in the bio. The next step is to create the actual elixir. Start by creating 3 different shapes like I did in the video. Now select everything and press Shift+M to select the Shape Builder tool. Now cut away the outstanding shapes. Do this by holding Alt plus left click and moving over them. And right there, make sure to save. You don't want your work to disappear. Now select the outline shape we made in the beginning, duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+F and then click Shift+M again. To just left mouse click in the middle to create a new shape. Give the shape a gradient. On one side the gradient has to be transparent, on the other a color of your choice. If you don't know how to edit the gradient, you can go to Window and then select the gradient window. Now make sure both the transparent side and the non-transparent side are both red, otherwise, it looks still blue, also if the opacity is 0%. Now put the layer of the gradient underneath the red elixir layers. Then I created some liquid-looking shapes on top of them. You can also add some dots like I did to make it look like there are some bubbles. Now I took the second outline layer which we created before, removed the stroke and gave it a red color. Also don't forget to group your layers by pressing Ctrl+G. Now we come to the shading. In this case I think I did a poor job, but you can make it better. But the trick is to create white and then black layers with different opacities. This gives the effect of a reflection. Also, it might be better to get a real-life or good photo reference. Then I created a shape and put it under all the layers and gave it an outer glow effect. Now the last thing I did, I added some black layers to give it more depth in the back of the flask. Alright, that's it. If you watched the video until here, I wanna thank you. Also let me know in the comments what you would have done different. I know this tutorial is not perfect, but maybe you still could learn something from me. Have a great day and please subscribe and like if I could help you.